one of the most incredible things to me about life is that we don't ever have to get bored. There's always more to learn out there in the world, and so much more to learn right here inside about who you are and what you are capable of, and even more importantly, how to get there. Imagination are the language of our subconscious. A 90-minute or 2-hour workshop can literally change a person's life. You have the energy of a group of people all coming together with this intention to be elevated, to learn, to grow together. And the unique energy of every different group that comes together is so exciting, so fun. Done with those yeah buts, they are gone.